Today we will open the OOSHIES from Woolworths. There's 24 exclusive Lion King OOSHIES for you to collect. So we have Simba, Gold Simba, Cub Simba, Gold Cub Simba, Nula, Gold Nula, Cub Nala, sorry it's Nala, Gold Cub Nala, Mufasa, Gold Mufasa, Sarabi, Gold Sarabi, Scar, Gold Scar, what's that? Rafiki, Gold Rafiki, Zazu, Gold Zazu, Taimon, Gold Taimon, Pumba, Gold Pumba, Sunset Simba, Spirit Mufasa. Okay, let's start. Go, sweetie.
Okay.
Okay, just open it. What did you get there? So, let me see it. Oh, I think this is a cub. So let's check. Is that the? I think this is Gold Cub Nala. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the first one is Gold Cub Nala. Okay. Next is another cub.
It's the same one.
Yeah, it's Nala. There. It's Nala. Yeah, so cute. Okay, next one.
Oh my goodness. Sit. What?
Sing. It's Nala.
That's
Is it Nala? Yeah.
dance.
It's Nala again for the second time. Okay. Same?
What's different?
Different?
It's bigger. It is the cub one. Is the like.
Ah,
Oh,
so,
I don't know.
yeah. Look at the nose. Check which one is that in the list. Ah,
They're
it's
so similar.
It's Cub Nala and Nala. So the smaller one is Cub Nala and the bigger one is Nala. Show sweetie which one is Nala and which one is Cub Nala.
This is cub.
Okay. So it's Nala and Cub Nala. Yes.
So similar.
Okay. Next, please. Cub Nala. So this is Sarabi. Is it Sarabi?
Yeah, I think.
Okay. This is the one. Sarabi. Okay, next one please.
What's that?
Wow, it's black. Wow, it's so cute.
It's not a lion. Yeah.
It's
That.
Zazu. Yay! Zazu. With the black and white and red beak. So cute.
Oh, small.
It's small?
Yeah,
You see
not
that
a
it's
lion.
Small. Not a lion.
That's
What is
this
that?
thing. No, it's not.
Show it to the
This.
camera. Is it an elephant?
This one.
It's Pumbaa. Pamba. Wow. So far, so good. We have 5. What is that? What is that? A gold one.
What's this?
Yeah.
What's this
It's
one
gold
right here?
Pumbaa.
The gold one.
Yeah, so cute. How many left?
It's the gold one.
Then we have a blue one. Oh, wow, so nice.
This was.
What is the name of that? Spirit
I
Mufasa.
think it's.
Wow, it's so big. Huh? Wow. Okay, continue.
What's that? What's this one right here?
It's red. No, sorry, it's gold. Is it the gold sarabi?
This, yeah.
Okay. It's the gold sarabi. So we have sarabi and the gold sarabi. Okay, next one. Last 5. We already opened the others, so last 5. Wow! It's so cute! It's Timon. Is it Timon? Timon?
I don't know.
Alright. Hi, Simon! Welcome to the family. Then, the next one is...
Thank you. Oh.
Wow, it's orange! Let me see, show it. Wow, it's so cute. Is it a lion?
Yes, this one.
It's Sunset Simba. Yes, put it at the back, sweetie. Yeah. So cute. So far, no doubles. Yeah.
Oh, double.
Wow.
He's focused.
Which is that?
It's the color.
It's Cub Nala. Yes. The first double. We got Cub Nala.
These are probably doubles.
Another Cub Nala. The third one. Okay. I hope it's not double. Come on, come on.
What's it? Gold.
Wow, wow. It's the gold.
This.
Gold Simba. Yes. So, let's recap what we get. We get Gold Simba, Nala, 1 of Gold Simba, 1 Nala, 3 of Cub Nala, 1 Gold Cub Nala, 1 Sarabi, 1 Gold Sarabi, 1 Sunset Simba, 1 Spirit Mufasa, 1 Gold Pumbaa, Timon or Timon, and Sasu. Yes! We're so happy about the Lion King OOSHIES Collectibles. Yes, thank you for watching, guys!